Before buying MindStudio, there are a few things you need to know. With so many similar tools on the market, it can be tough to make the right decision, but I'll break down 7 things you absolutely need to consider before committing to this software. Stick around until the end because you won't want to miss the final point. It might just change the way you think about using this tool. First, let's talk about the learning curve. MindStudio positions itself as an intuitive platform, but if you're transitioning from other design or automation tools, expect a small learning curve. While tools like Adobe and Canva are much more familiar, MindStudio offers a clean, simple interface once you get used to it. The focus is on flexibility, but you need to spend a little time getting familiar with its features. For anyone switching from those other platforms, this is something you should know upfront. Next thing, integration with other software. One of MindStudio's strengths is its ability to connect with a wide range of tools, from CRMs to email marketing platforms. However, it doesn't have quite the same depth of integrations that some competitors like Zapier or Integromat offer. If your business depends heavily on custom integrations, you might find MindStudio's native integrations to be a bit limiting. But for most users, it's more than enough, especially if you're just starting out and using basic marketing tools. The third thing is automation features. MindStudio offers some great automation features, but here's the catch. It's not as feature-rich as some higher-end automation tools like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign. For instance, while you can automate email sequences and set up workflows, the reporting features are more basic compared to its competitors. But if your business isn't dependent on advanced workflows, this won't be a deal breaker. You'll still get solid results, but it's worth mentioning before you dive in. The fourth thing is customization. Unlike some other platforms that allow for extensive customization of templates, MindStudio sticks to a more streamlined, user-friendly approach. If you're someone who enjoys tweaking every detail, this might feel restrictive. However, this simplicity could be a major plus if you want to get things done quickly without overcomplicating your design and automation processes. Next, let's talk about customer support. MindStudio offers solid customer service, including email support, live chat, and a detailed help center. However, don't expect 24/7 phone support. For many users, the help center and email support will be more than enough. But if you're someone who prefers instant phone assistance, you might find that lacking. The response time is usually quick, but it's always good to know what you're getting into. The sixth thing is pricing. Compared to industry giants like Adobe Creative Cloud, MindStudio offers competitive pricing, especially considering the value for money. If you're just starting your business or are looking for a budget-friendly option, this is an important factor. The pricing structure is relatively simple, and you can scale up as your needs grow. It's also worth noting that MindStudio offers a free trial, so if you're unsure whether it's right for you, it's easy to test out before committing. The seventh and final thing you need to know is the long-term potential. MindStudio is built with scalability in mind, meaning it grows with you. As your business expands, you'll find that the software can handle increasing complexity. It's not just a one-trick pony like some other tools. It adapts to your evolving needs without being overly complex, and that's one of the main selling points of MindStudio: growth without overwhelm. To recap, while MindStudio may not have every single feature of some bigger competitors, it offers a balance of ease of use, automation, and scalability that's ideal for many businesses. Plus, with its free trial, you can explore all of these features yourself before you commit to anything. So, if you want to try out MindStudio for yourself and get exclusive benefits, make sure to click the first link in the description to access the best free trial they offer. And that's everything you need to know before buying.